Cyber threats are evolving every day, and regulations are tightening faster than ever. Yet, many organizations are left asking one crucial question: how mature is our security posture? It's time to take a hard look at your defenses. Don't wait for a breach to find out. Assess, adapt, and strengthen your security today. Introducing the Information Security Maturity Model Toolkit, your go-to solution for enhancing security practices. This editable Excel-based framework is designed to align with ISO 27001, NIST CSF, and ISF standards. Step 1. Customize the toolkit to fit your organization's unique needs. It's all about making security manageable and effective. Step 2. Assess your current maturity level using our intuitive features, perfect for identifying gaps and areas for improvement. Final step, implement the recommendations and watch your security posture grow. With this toolkit, achieving compliance has never been easier. Ready to elevate your security game? Let's get started. So, you want to assess your cybersecurity maturity? This toolkit is your go-to solution, covering 17 essential domains. From risk assessment to incident response, we've got you covered. Step 1. Evaluate your current security posture with ease. Step 2. Score your controls and identify gaps. Step 3. Visualize your progress and plan for improvement. It's time to take control of your cybersecurity journey. Don't wait. Start enhancing your defenses today.
With 5 maturity levels based on industry standards like CERT RMM, navigating security can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, this model is here to guide you through every security function. It shows you exactly where you stand and where you need to go. Think of it as your roadmap to a more secure future. So, are you ready to elevate your security game? Whether you're a vCISO, internal auditor, GRC specialist, or cybersecurity consultant, this template is your shortcut to structured, audit-ready insights. No more scrambling for data or missing key details. With this tool, you'll streamline your process and enhance your reports. Get ready to impress stakeholders with clarity and precision. Are you ready to elevate your cybersecurity game? Let's make your next audit a breeze. Want to save time and impress your stakeholders? Introducing a professionally designed maturity assessment model. It's ready to use and fully customizable just for you. Gain clarity in your projects and decisions. No more guesswork, just straightforward insights. Elevate your presentations and make an impact. Transform your approach and watch your confidence soar. Ready to take the next step? Let's get started.
Download it today and make your security measurable. It's time to take control of your safety. Available now on Etsy. Just search for a TeleDR or click the link below to get started.